Internet. Once here, now it's suddenly everywhere, unleashing a world of opportunities. The Internet of Things. It's already here, in cars that drive themselves. Here, where gate sensors put fans in their seats faster. Here, bringing doctors and patients together virtually. Smart buildings are already reducing energy costs here. Drones use infrared imaging to detect crop failure here, while sensor-driven pumps conserve water here. Networked sensors and cameras let students in and keep trouble out here, while smart vending machines personalize the shopping experience here. The Internet of Things is cutting unscheduled downtime here. It's turning data into profits, streetlights into guardians, and mines into safer, more profitable production centers. Here, millions of containers can now be tracked in real time from a single location, while connected emergency vehicles turn the lights green here. And playgrounds are now safe places to play here. Welcome to a world of things, already making a world of difference in so many ways, in so many places. Where will you take it next?